first part of this. I'm not going to do the second part because I'll share with you why, but later on. But this is not something that's safe for kids. So we only do the first part in classrooms. This is essentially why you do not have a lighted match, lighted cigarette, etc. around a gas pump. You know, when you're around gasoline itself is not all that volatile. You could literally, and I don't want you to try this, but you could potentially take a lighted match, throw it in a pool of gasoline, and nothing will happen. It'll go out. But it's the fumes that are dangerous. It's the things that you can't see around it. So on its way down to the pool of gasoline, when it gets in the right air-fuel mixture, then it can become explosive. So if you see somebody who pulls up in their old jalopy pickup truck and they're smoking a stogie at Buc-ee's, move to another pump. Okay? They have a lot of safety precautions, but you never want to take the chance, right? That's just downright dangerous. Yes, sir.
What's a stogie and how can
Stogie's like a cigar. Okay, so here we go.
You ready to hear Snapchat stories, guys?
Hashtag.
Is that Foxside?
Josh is just watching Snapchat.
It doesn't end up well.
Okay.
Oh man.
So I'm going to take this this liquid. I'm going to go ahead and create a film around the inside of this water bottle so it coats it pretty well. This is going to happen really quick, kids. It'll only have the ooh and ah factor for a split second. Everybody likes a flame. This is almost like what you would see with a jet engine, but it happens very, very quickly. Okay. After I've coated the film.
Natalie, don't look.
I would try being slim, thick, and getting through this.
Once I coat the sides, I'm going to create a pressure barrier, if you will. I'm going to blow on it to seal the chemicals inside. Okay.
How does that work?
Oh no, he's got to
Okay.
light
Here
it.
we go.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
Here we go.
Explode!
Okay. So this is a very exothermic reaction.
Do that again.
Okay. Go ahead and feel the container.
Is it hot?
Okay. Extremely warm. Okay. This is what gasoline fumes will do. Okay. So that's the first part of this. The second part, like I said, we can't do anymore.
Why?
What essentially we used to do, we used to take a gloved hand, and as soon as the flame goes out, we go and cover the top. It creates such a pressure difference. Think about it as like a can. It kind of crushes in on itself for a split second, and then it explodes outwards.
Oh.
And the reason being, there's a lot of shrapnel. We can't have that around kids, obviously. So, pretty cool little thing. Just by its.
Yo, tell me what I want, what I really, really want.